Okay, here's one of those things which is really pretty hard to wrap your head around. Um, this is a mock-up of the latch plates for the Inkwell boxes for the Rankin sliding writing desk. And what you have is on the right here, this is the part which would be on the box of the sliding writing desk, and on the left here is the plate which is on the inside end of the box of the Inkwell box. On the right here you have a latch that will latch into the hole on this box, and that's what will keep the box from being able to move when it's latched in place. This latch here, this latch bar, is at the bottom end of it is another protruding bar that will allow the latch to be released. On the box, which will inside the box, is this plate, and this is a push rod, which when the box opens, that pushes the lid of the box up. And on the other side, when it pushes down, you can see in the lower opening here, that bar pushes down on this latch to release it. So that's one part of it. Now, in the inside of the box, there's also a catch for the lid of the box. Now that catch is pushed back and released by this protruding bar here. Now the problem with that is that this bar can't be too long or it'll prevent this from closing. But it has to be able to drop off and allow the latch to return. So if you watch that lever up here, the catch up here, you see as the box comes into close, that releases, and then you see it pops back when the whole thing is actually latched. And then when you push down on this, when you close the cover of the box, that releases the catch to allow the whole thing to reopen. So this, when the latch is pushed down when it's being latched, you can see that this one here also is pushed down. But then when it drops off the inner catch, it stays down while this comes back up. And then when it opens again, that pops back up into place. So it's got its own separate spring. So it's pretty complicated. But so when the lid of the box is closed, this is down, this comes in, the lid catch backs up and releases, which allows this to pop up and push the lid up. And then when you close the lid again, it pushes this down and that releases the catch over here. Pretty complicated.